robotic cataract surgery, conventional cataract surgery, laser cataract surgery, and phacoemulsification. What do these words even mean? And it is so difficult to make a choice without even knowing what they mean. In this video, we are going to break it down for you. Let's first talk about conventional cataract surgery. In conventional cataract surgery, we use a blade to first make some cut so that we are able to enter inside the eye. Now don't imagine the blade to be something very scary. These are 2.8 to 2.2 millimeter fine blades which are essential to take our instruments inside the eye. After which, we make a small circular cut on the anterior lens capsule so that we are able to enter the bulk of the hard cataract. Now this phacoemulsification machine basically uses ultrasound energy to chop and to cut that cataract into small bits so that we are able to remove the whole of it through a 2.8 or a 2.2 millimeter incision. Now the probe of that machine enters into the eye. All the chopping is done inside the eye manually along with the machine, and then everything is sucked into the machine and you're done with the surgery. After the phacoemulsification is done, we clean that area and put a lens in its place. Now, this procedure was normally over the years called as laser surgery. Why? Because explaining a phacoemulsification method or ultrasound is quite difficult to a layman, so people used to casually call it a laser surgery. Now here comes the problem. There is actually laser which has entered into the cataract surgery now. This is called as the femtosecond cutting laser. This is the new kid in the block. Now what we do in a femtosecond laser cataract surgery, which is also called as robotic cataract surgery, is we make all the cuts from the conventional surgery using a laser technology. That is, the incisions on the cornea are no longer done with a blade. They are done with the precision laser cutting. The round circular opening that we make on the capsule is also done using a precision laser where we can enter the diameter of the rexus that we want and also center it exactly in the middle of the eye. And also, the chopping of this nucleus is also done with the laser. The laser cuts the cataract into small bits, thereby the ultrasound energy which is required by the machine to remove this nucleus is also minimized substantially. In this, all the cuts that I mentioned earlier are made using the laser. That means we no longer use a blade to make the incisions for entry. We also use laser to make the round circular opening on the lens capsule. We also use the laser to chop the cataract into tiny bits. Now after this is done, the phaco machine enters. The same phaco machine that we use in conventional cataract surgery is used also here. This phaco machine and the probe enters the eye and just removes that cataract which has been pre-cut by laser. Then we clean it and put the lens. So in conclusion, phacoemulsification is the same as conventional cataract surgery. Femtosecond cataract surgery is the same as robotic cataract surgery. And laser cataract surgery is a loosely used word which was earlier used in reference to the phacoemulsification but now makes more sense for robotic cataract surgery. I hope you have understood the differences. We are going to be discussing some studies which have compared between conventional cataract surgery and robotic cataract surgery in the upcoming video to help you make better decisions regarding your eyes. Follow this channel for more such eye-related content.